For today's session, we're going to discuss about commission. Okay, so before we proceed with the computation part or the practical applications on how to compute for the commission, let us first define commission. So states here that commission maintains the relationship between the employer and the employees of the firm or the company. It acts as an agreement between the salespeople and the company for specific targets that need to be reached. It may also serve as the reward for the services rendered by the salespeople. So actually, the commission, kung titignan ho natin yung pinakasimpleng definition niya, it serves as a reward dun sa service na ni-render ng salespeople. Specifically dun sa mga products na nabenta niya. So aalat yung company ng specific percentage na pwedeng makuha ng salespeople after yung mabenta ang specific number of product. But then again, how do we compute for the value of the commission? So we're going to use this formula. The commission is equal to the rate of commission multiplied to the total sales. Whatever the product of this will be the commission. Okay? Yan na po yung mapupunta doon sa salespeople. In other words, si commission ay nagsiserve as a reward. Reward siya. In layman's term, parang kickback, parang ganon. Okay? So, on our next slide, we will have the examples on how to compute for the commission, specifically the practical applications on how to compute for the commission. Okay, so actually there are three types of commission. We will have the first one, that is the straight commission. So straight commission is a type of commission wherein a salespeople is paid a percentage of sales only. So base dun sa nabenta niya, yung total sales niya, kukuha lang tayo ng specific percentage doon, and then yun yung magiging commission ng salespeople. Okay, yun ang tawag natin doon ay straight commission. Now let's have a sample problem for us to fully understand how do we deal with straight commission. So the problem here is Rhinon works on a commission basis and receives 5% on his monthly sales. He sells 240,000 pesos worth of appliance. His customer returned worth 24,000 pesos of appliance. How much will be his commission? Now let's go back to the problem. Sinabi po doon na si Rhinon daw ay he is actually working on a commission basis. Ibig sabihin, yung kikitain niya or for a particular month nakadepende dun sa kung magkano ang mabebenta niya. And kukuha lang tayo doon ng 5%. Sa kanya na yun. Ngayon, on a particular month, nakabenta siya ng 240,000 pesos worth of appliance. Now, his customer returned worth 24,000 pesos of appliance. How much will be his commission? Okay, so balikan natin yung problem. So sabi kanina sa problem, ang nabenta ni Rhinon ay 240,000 pesos. Okay? 240,000 pesos. Okay, 240,000 pesos. Okay, 240,000 pesos ang nabenta niya. Ito yung total. However, dahil may sinole na yung customer na appliance worth 24,000, ibabawas natin yun dun sa total. Okay? So, magiging total sales niya ngayon is 240,000 minus 24,000. Yun po ay 216,000. So, ito pong 216,000, yan po yung magiging total sales na ni Rhinon on a particular month kasi may sinoling appliances or appliance. Okay? Ngayon, magkano ang magiging commission niya? Sabi natin kanina, ang commission ay kino-compute that is equals to the rate of commission multiplied to the total sales. Okay? Kung magkano yung total sales, i-multiply natin sa rate of commission. So in that case, we have that is 0.05 to be multiplied to 216,000 pesos. Okay? And the answer for that is 0.05 times 216,000, that is 10,800 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, itong 10,800 pesos, ito na po yung commission ni Rhinon on that particular month. Considering na siya ay nakabenta ng 240,000 pesos, kaya lang may sinoling appliance So, 216,000 pesos na lang yung kanyang total sales. Considering that, yung kanyang total sales sa 216,000 pesos, ang kanyang magiging commission ay 10,800 pesos. So, that is the straight commission. Okay, let's do have the second type of commission. We call this one as the graduated commission. Now, the graduated commission, as sales increases, the commission rate also increases. So, in other words, ito po yung uri ng commission na habang tumataas o dumadami yung iyong sales, mas tumataas din yung commission na makukuha mo. Nakadepende siya dun sa increase ng sales mo. Okay? So, papaano ba natin i-illustrate yung graduated commission? Okay? Ito po yung problem na may encounter natin under graduated commission. So, Jolly has a monthly commission rate of 1.5% on the first 50,000 pesos and 2.5% on sales above 50,000 pesos. Okay? So, si Jolly daw, meron siyang monthly commission rate na 1.5% sa unang 50,000 pesos na kikitain niya or mabebenta niya. And 2.5% on sales above 50,000 pesos. Now, based on the problem, her total sales is 75,000 pesos. Let us try to compute yung kanyang commission. Okay, we all know that commission, alam natin na ang commission ay nako-compute natin by multiplying the rate with the total sales. Ganyan natin kinu-compute ang commission. Okay? Ngayon, ang total sales ni Jolly ay 75,000 pesos. Ngayon, ibangga natin to doon sa sinasabi ng problem na first 50,000 pesos at yung sosobra sa 50,000 pesos. So, yung 75,000 pesos, meron yung i-split natin in based dun sa problem. Sinabi po doon, first 50,000 pesos, kasi yung first 50,000 pesos, 1.5% na agad yung commission na makukuha niya doon. And din yung sosobra doon sa 50,000 pesos, yung sales above 50,000 pesos, yun po yung 25,000 pesos. Kasi nga 75,000 pesos yung kanyang total sales eh. So 50,000 pesos, yung above doon, yung sobra doon, that is 25,000 pesos. Itong dalawang ito ang kukuhanan natin ng percentage ng commission. Okay, so ang kanyang magiging commission dito, pag atin dinetalye ito, that is 50,000 pesos to be multiplied to 0.015 plus yung 25,000 pesos, kukuhanin natin yung kanyang 0.025 percentage of commission. Okay? Ulitin natin. Bakit natin binultiply yung 50,000 pesos sa 0.015? It is because, sabi dun sa problem, yung first 50,000 pesos, 1.5% ang rate of commission na makukuha niya doon. And then 2.5% on sales above 50,000 pesos. So simplifying this further, 50,000 pesos, that is 50,000 to be multiplied to 0.015, that is 750 pesos. Okay, 750 pesos. I-add natin sa 0.025 ng 25,000, that is 625. Okay, papasensyaan nyo na po yung sulat ko. In other words, ang magiging commission niya, 750 plus 625, that is 1,375 pesos. In other words, ito po yung magiging commission ni Jolly on this particular problem. Okay? Considering na ang total sales niya ay 75,000 pesos. So that is graduated commission. Okay, so let's do have the last type of commission, and we call it the salary plus commission. So this is a combination of a regular salary and a percentage rate of his or her sales. In other words, itong uri ng commission na ito, regular salary mo plus yung percentage nung percentage rate nung iyong nabenta na product, yung total sales mo. Okay, so i-add them together, yun yung magiging gross salary mo. monthly salary tapos yung percentage nung iyong mga nabenta. So, paano ba ito na-encounter? Paano to gumagana in a particular situation? Let's have this problem. Eman works for ABM firm. He receives 20,000 pesos salary per month. And 5% of any sales above 10,000 pesos. Okay, so yung 20,000, yun ay fixed salary niya. Okay, whether makabenta siya sa hindi, meron siyang 20,000 pesos. And then, 5% of any sales above 10,000. Well, above 10,000, yung sosobra sa 10,000 pesos, kuhanin mo yung 5% nun, yun yung idadagdag sa 20,000. Yun yung magiging gross niya. Okay? In this particular problem, it was mentioned that his total sales is 15,000 pesos. How much will be his gross salary? Okay? So, alam natin, based dun sa mga nauna nating problem, that ang commission ay ating kinocompute by multiplying the rate of commission with the total sales. Okay? That is how we compute for the commission. Now, the problem is asking for the gross salary. Now, how do we compute for the gross salary? Okay? Paano natin kinocompute ang gross salary? Again, in this problem, yung monthly salary mo, yung monthly salary ni Eman, ay ating i-add sa kanyang commission. Okay? Ganon natin i-compute yung kanyang gross salary. Now, let's try to apply now the formula or the pattern. Now, in this problem, ang kanyang monthly salary ay 20,000 pesos. Okay? Yan yung monthly salary niya. Ngayon, idadagdag natin siya sa kanyang commission. Okay? Kaya sinabi sa problem na 5% of any sales above 10,000 pesos. Ang total sales niya ay 15,000 pesos. To get the sales above 10,000, ima-minus po natin yung 10,000 from 15,000. Whatever will be the difference, yun ang ating kukuhanan ng 5% or 0.05. Because it was very clear in the problem that 5% of any sales above 10,000 pesos, yun ang kukuhanan natin ng 5%. Simplifying this part of the equation further, so 20,000 pesos plus 5,000, ayan, na i-multiply natin sa 0.05. Okay? So in this case, you will have 20,000 plus, what is the 5% of 5,000? So 5,000 times 0.05, that is 250 pesos. So ito ngayon yung 5% nung above 10,000 na sinasabi sa problem. Yung yung sales above 10,000 dun sa problem ay 5,000 kasi ang total sales niya ay 15,000. Getting the 5% of it, you will have 250 pesos. Therefore, in this problem, ang magiging gross salary ngayon ni Eman ay 20,250 pesos. Ito ngayon ang magiging gross salary ni Eman considering na 20,000 pesos ang kanyang monthly salary at 5% of any sales above 10,000 pesos yung makukuha niya, yung considering combining them together. Yung 20,000 pesos na monthly salaries at yung 5% nung sales above 10,000 pesos. Considering na ang total sales ay 15,000 pesos, getting the 5% of yung above 10,000 pesos na sale, which is 5,000, yun po ay 250 pesos. I-add sa 20,000, you have 20,250 pesos. Yun ang magiging gross salary ni Eman. Naway marami kayong naunawaan at napulot na inputs or mga ideas on how to compute for commission. Okay? I am Mr. Jonathan P. Roman, a mathematics A teacher from Ilaya Barangka Integrated School.